Welcome back. Ready to level up your English? It's Sound Like a Native, Part 3.
Stop saying, that is very difficult. You'll sound way more natural just saying, that's tough.
Drop the boring very good. Inject some real energy and say, that's awesome.
Dropped your coffee? Locals never say, that is very bad. We just say, that sucks.
I am very surprised. Takes way too long to say. Instead, try, I can't believe it.
Next up, talking feelings. Stop over-explaining and learn to keep things short and sweet.
I am very excited. Show some genuine excitement and just say, I'm pumped.
I am very tired of this is a huge mouthful. Simply say, I'm fed up.
Totally swamped with work? Swap I am very busy right now for a quick, I'm tied up.
Finally, action phrases. Let's completely upgrade to words you use every single day to make plans.
Sure, let's go is fine, but saying let's head out makes you sound like a true local.
Ditch the basic I will try. Speak with confidence and say, I'll give it a shot.
Lock these in right now. I'm pumped. I'm fed up. I'm tied up.
It's all about practice. So, which native phrase will you give a shot today?